Resetting all settings on your iPhone 15 allows you to restore your device's settings to their default state without losing personal data, which can be helpful in troubleshooting issues or preparing your device for a fresh start. Here's how it's done. To begin, navigate to the home screen by swiping up from the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Next, scroll down and tap on General. Scroll down again and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. To continue, tap on Reset. Locate and then tap on Reset All Settings. Enter your device passcode and screen time passcode when prompted. Then tap on Reset All Settings to confirm. A final confirmation pop-up will appear. Tap Reset All Settings again to proceed. Please note that this action will remove all Apple Pay cards, keys, and passes. No personal data or media will be deleted, and only the device settings will be reset to their default values. If you decide not to proceed, you can tap Cancel at any point before the final confirmation. Otherwise, confirm all settings reset. This feature on your iPhone 15 provides a way to start fresh with your device settings while keeping your personal data intact, which can be useful for resolving persistent system issues or preparing your device for a new user. And that's it. Please subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching,